Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got the Orei UKM-201C 2-input, 1-output KVM switch. This product makes it really easy for you to connect two different computers to a single 4K ultra high definition monitor at the same time, while providing complete control over which of those computers is currently displayed on your monitor by simply tapping the button on the top of the unit or by using the extension button from a distance away from the switch. The product fully supports 4K ultra high definition media content and is both HDMI 2.0 as well as HDCP 2.2 compliant, which means it's plug and play compatible with a wide range of modern computers. The product features two sets of connections for your computers. One set has an HDMI connection for video transfer, as well as a USB-C to USB-A connection for control signals. The other set of connections provides a single USB-C port for connecting to modern computers like a laptop or a mini PC that can output both video and control signals over that same port. It also includes a second USB-C port that you can connect to an external power supply to charge your laptop through that port and provide all the power you'll need for any peripheral connected to the other side. In addition to that, there's a single headphone jack that can be used with an external set of headphones or for connecting your computers to an external amplifier, as well as three USB 3.0 ports, a USB-C, and two USB-A ports that you can use for external peripheral connections to things like microphones or cameras or even external hard drives. Now, as part of this overview, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included with the kit. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit, and I'll explain the connections and indicators so you understand how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and point out some of the special features that this product provides that you can use to compare it to other KVM switches you may be considering. So let's get started with the unboxing. When you first pop open the box, you'll find the UKM-201C. You'll find that extension button I'd mentioned. You can plug this directly into the back of the switch, and then the button right here can be located somewhere else on your desk or your media center. You'll find a heavy-duty flexible USB-C to USB-C cable for connecting your second laptop or mini PC, as well as a USB-A to USB-C control cable that you can use with an older computer in that other port section. Finally, there's a full instruction manual included that explains everything you'll want to know about this product, including connection diagrams, specifications, and a lot of other really good information that you'll need to understand in order to use this product correctly. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit, and then I'll come back and point out a few things that I really like about this particular product. This product features a full metal enclosure, which makes it incredibly durable and really helps to protect it from outside interference causing any issues with your displays. On the top of the unit, you'll find a single button. You can use that to switch between the two connected computers. On the front, starting on the left, you'll find a headphone jack. This can be used with an external set of headphones or for connecting your computers to a local amplifier. To the right of that is another port labeled Control. This unit has an external button you can use to switch between the two computers and a nice long cable that plugs in right there if you decide to use that product. To the right of that, you'll find three USB ports. These are USB 3.0, a single USB-C, and two full-sized USB-As. These can be used for connecting external peripherals like a microphone or a camera or even a hard drive to your computers. To the right of that are two more full-sized USB-A ports that can be used for a keyboard or mouse. Now, the nice thing is when you switch between computers, any peripherals connected here, as well as the headphones, are connected to the computer you've switched to. On the rear of the unit, on the left-hand side, you'll find a single full-sized HDMI port labeled HDMI out. This connects to your single monitor. And to the right of that are two sets of connections for PC1 and PC2. Now, PC2 uses an HDMI connection for the video and a standard USB-A to USB-C connection for control, so that's fairly standard. PC1 uses a USB-C connection for both, so that would typically be connected to a laptop that can output video and control signals through a single USB-C port. And over to the right is another USB-C port labeled PD-in. This can be connected to an external power supply that will actually charge your laptop through that single USB-C connection, as well as provide power for any of the peripherals you have connected here. And that's pretty much it for the unit. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now, here are a few really important things to keep in mind when you're comparing the Orei UKM-201C 2-input, 1-output KVM switch with other products you may be considering. The first thing has to do with the type of connections that any KVM switch provides. This unit provides two different sets of connections. One set has an HDMI port for connecting to a computer to transfer video, as well as a USB-C port to USB-A connection for control signals. And that works great with older computers that are standard in most homes. The other set of connections provides a single USB-C port for newer laptops or mini PCs that can transfer video and control signals over a single cable. It also provides a second USB-C connection for an external power supply or charger that you can use to charge the laptop through that single USB-C connection. A lot of other KVM switches on the market only provide the older connection schema, which won't work well with modern computers. Another important difference is that this particular switch provides three external USB 3.0 connections, a single USB-C, and a set of USB-As that you can use with other peripherals like a microphone or a camera or even an external hard drive. And the nice thing is, when you switch between computers, those peripherals actually follow that switching. So if you've got a micro SD card plugged into an external adapter and it's on one computer, you hit the button, it'll actually move to the next computer and you can transfer the files between them. Another nice feature is the fact that this unit provides an external headphone jack, again, that you can use with a set of headphones or for connecting it to an external amplifier for audio. One final thing that's really nice about this is the external button that you can use to switch between your two computers. You can plug this into the back of the unit and you can put the switch down behind your desk and just have the button on your desktop to make that connection and switching between those two computers. Everything you need to get started is included with the kit, and with a few simple connections you can be up and running in no time. So thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.